Once you know that you have been shadow banned, there are a few things that you can do to help fix the situation according to my own experience over the past couple months. The first one is to remove problematic posts. Usually you can tell which post caused the issue because that one will have less impressions than your previous ones, and then all the posts after it will also have less impressions. So delete the problematic posts as quickly as possible, and then pay attention to what it was that got you shadow banned in the first place, and then don't do it again. In my experience, being a repeat offender caused me to get hit harder with shadow bans. So don't keep making the same mistakes, otherwise you will get crushed. Learn from your mistakes. And then the final solution, and honestly the one that applies in almost any situation, is the easiest answer, is to just wait. In almost every situation where I got shadow banned, simply taking a break for 1 to 7 days fixed the issue. And this goes for any kind of shadow ban, from being hidden in replies, to not showing up in search, to being hidden from the For You page. Take a break for 24 hours and see if that fixed things. If it didn't, wait another 24 hours, and you may have to wait up to about a week before the problem is totally fixed. If your account does not get unshadow banned after a week, then that probably means that you are still breaking the rules. So that's why it's crucial that you pay attention to what you did that caused you to get shadow banned and then stop doing it. And I understand it is frustrating right now because X doesn't tell you why you are getting shadow banned, but use your intuition, look around, and try and figure it out the best on your own. And also rest assured that X is working on that issue. Andrea Conway, a designer for X, has stated in the past that she hopes to completely remove the idea or word shadow ban from the platform. But for now, the rules are still in place, so just do your best to follow them. And if you do make a mistake and get shadow banned, follow the steps I outlined, and you shouldn't have any issues getting your account and your impressions back to normal.